Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you want to write an ASO friendly title and description for the Apple App Store, the main goal is to help your app rank higher in search and attract more downloads. First, start with your app title, keep it short, clear, and include your main keyword. For example, instead of a random name, use something like Fit Track, Workout, and Fitness Planner so users instantly understand what the app does. Next, write your subtitle. This should explain your app in a simple phrase and include another important keyword, for example, track workout, build habits, and stay healthy. Now move to the description. In the first 2 or 3 lines, clearly explain what your app does because this is what users see first. So focus on benefits, not just the features. After that, break your description into short paragraphs, explain key features one by one in simple language like tracking, notifications, AI tools, or productivity features depending on your app. Make sure you naturally include keywords but don't overstuff them. Apple prefers natural, readable text over keyword spam. Also, keep your tone simple and user focused. Instead of saying advanced system, say what the user actually gets, like easily track your daily progress. And finally, end with a strong call to action like download now and start improving your daily routine. And that's it. That's how you write an ASO friendly title and description for the App Store to improve visibility and downloads. So, if you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.